So with this van, it's turned out it's too complicated for me to measure my motorbike and measure my music gear and measure the shower and try and fit it all in. So what I've done now is I've gone to get the motorbike, and everything I need I'm going to put in the van and then build around it. I think that'll be easier than getting my measurements exact, because if I stuff that up and things don't fit, it's going to be a real pain. So I'm going to try and put the motorbike in now. I've got this ramp here. It's got to fit between here and here. Hopefully it'll fit, otherwise I'm not sure. And I've got to be able to get in by myself, so I don't know, we'll try it now. So this is the bike. I've got to fit in there on this ramp, so I don't know, we'll try it now. That wasn't too bad for first go. It's not in, but it will be in a second, I think. Well, it's in. It wasn't actually too bad. It wasn't super easy, but it was the first time I'd done it. So that's all right. So yeah. So now I've just got to build the rest of everything around this space. So I need to leave this empty, so I can always get the bike in when I want. I can obviously, I'm going to stand at that spot for the desk and do some other stuff, but when the bike's in, it's as good. So far so good, size wise anyway.